Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use pay later on Flexiti financial card purchase. So first of all, generally it's required in online purchase. The first one is that select payment method. Whenever you are doing the checkout process on participating retailer's website, choose Flexiti as your payment method, right? Then the second thing which you have to do, that is in-store purchase. You can also do it from the in-store purchase here, right? And that is the account entry. You will be prompted to either apply for a new Flexiti account or enter your existing Flexiti account number. You can also choose financing plan. After entering your account details, select a financing plan that suits your budget. Option typically includes equal monthly payments, deferred payments, using it like a regular credit card. You can also use pay later in the store purchase. You can talk to a representative and they will help you with it. You may need to apply for Flexiti account for the application process if you don't have already. The representative will guide you through and maybe they can do it instantly. And online access, register at myflexity.com, which is this website here, right, to manage your account online. Here you can view statement, but you have to log in into your account here, right? That is, for example, this is a customer's merchant pool and merchant app here. Generally in the customer section, payment can be made online through your banking account by adding Flexity as a bill pay or by mailing a check you. Ensure that you pay off the total amount due before the promotional end date to avoid high interest charge. Missing payment can lead to a significant accrued interest. So make sure you do this. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.